What if I told you that earning respect isn't about being the loudest in the room or demanding it? Instead, it's about subtle psychological strategies that shift how people see and treat you. These tricks are simple, but their impact, massive. Whether it's at work, relationships, or with friends, understanding these can change how the world respects you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make respect a natural part of your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: psychological tricks that make people respect you. These aren't manipulative tactics. They're strategies rooted in confidence and authenticity that help you command the respect you deserve. Let's get started. 1. The power of nonverbal confidence. Did you know that most communication is nonverbal? Stand tall, make eye contact, and relax your shoulders. These small tweaks scream confidence before you even say a word. Keep your movements purposeful. Fidgeting or slouching can subconsciously signal insecurity. Tip: practice a power pose, like placing hands on your hips and standing tall for 2 minutes. Studies show this boosts your confidence and makes others see you as more authoritative. 2. Speak less, listen more. Want people to respect you? Be the person who listens. When you're fully present in conversations, people feel valued and understood. Use active listening techniques, nodding, maintaining eye contact, and summarizing what the other person said. Bonus: when you speak less, but choose your words wisely, what you say carries more weight. 3. Set clear boundaries. People respect those who respect themselves. Practice saying no without feeling guilty, whether it's a coworker piling on extra tasks or a friend crossing a line. Politely but firmly assert your boundaries. Example: instead of saying, "I don't think I can," say, "I won't be able to." This subtle shift in language conveys certainty and self-assurance. 4. The law of scarcity. Here's a powerful truth: people value what they perceive as rare. Guard your time and energy. Don't always be too available. It's okay to say, "Let me check my schedule," instead of jumping into every plan or request. By being selective about how and with whom you spend your time, people will naturally respect it more. 5. Embrace the power of silence. Silence is a weapon when used correctly. In conversations, don't rush to fill awkward silences. Instead, hold the space confidently. Silence shows composure and can make the other person rethink their approach. 6. Use people's names and acknowledge their achievements. Dale Carnegie once said, "A person's name is to that person the sweetest sound." Addressing people by their name during conversations fosters connection and respect. Compliment people on their efforts and accomplishments genuinely, of course. This makes them respect you for noticing and valuing their contributions. 7. Master the art of saying less but meaning more. Have you ever noticed how the most respected people don't overshare? Practice brevity in your speech. The fewer words you use to get your point across, the more impactful it becomes. Example: instead of explaining why you can't do something in detail, simply say, "That won't work for me." The confidence in your delivery speaks volumes. 8. Mirror their body language. This one's a subtle, psychological hack: mirroring. By subtly mimicking someone's body language, you create a subconscious sense of trust and rapport. Be careful not to make it obvious. Keep it natural and authentic. 9. Stay calm under pressure. People respect those who can handle stress with grace. When things go wrong, take a deep breath, pause, and respond thoughtfully. People admire those who can maintain composure, especially in high-stress situations. Tip: use the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It's a quick way to reset. 10. Build a reputation for integrity. Integrity is a cornerstone of respect. Always follow through on your promises, even the small ones. People notice reliability and dependability. Don't engage in gossip or badmouth others. It may seem harmless, but it damages your credibility. 11. Cultivate a strong presence. Being memorable doesn't mean being flashy. Walk into a room with a purpose. People notice those who exude quiet confidence. Speak clearly and avoid filler words like or you know. Clarity commands attention and respect. Bonus: invest in your appearance, not to impress, but to feel your best. A polished look reinforces self-respect. 12. Express gratitude and empathy. Kindness is never a weakness, it's a strength. Show genuine gratitude, whether it's thanking someone for their help or acknowledging their efforts. Empathy makes people respect you as a leader and friend. For instance, saying, "I understand how hard this must be for you," shows emotional intelligence. Finally, actions speak louder than words. If you want respect, live by the values you promote. Whether it's hard work, kindness, or persistence, embody these qualities consistently. People respect those who walk their talk. For example, if you want punctuality from others, make sure you're always on time. Respect isn't something you demand, it's something you earn by the way you carry yourself. These psychological tricks aren't about changing who you are, they're about amplifying your natural confidence and self-worth. Now, it's your turn. Which of these tricks are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more tips to help you glow and grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.